Good morning, children. Now let us start the second semester of this academic year in English, Unit 8. The name of the lesson is Sports Day in School. It's about two little boys, twin brothers by name Rohit and Rahul. What will happen in the lesson will come to know through lesson. But before that, let us read some hard words. The first word is sports day. Second one is school. Next, assembly, practice, headmaster, excitement, perform, brilliantly, winning, and the last one is prizes. These are the hard words in the lesson. Let us go to the lesson now. Rohit and his twin brother Rahul attended the same school. They looked alike because they are twins. Twins look similar. And one fine day, at assembly, the headmaster announced, "We will have sports day after 2 weeks. Your sports teachers will help you practice." Hearing this, the children chattered with excitement. They wondered what they were going to do. During games period, they found out that they would be march past, races and games. Rohit loved football while Rahul wanted to run. However, their sports teacher, Miss Singh, mistook Rohit for Rahul and thought that Rohit was interested in the races. So she put Rohit in the races and Rahul in the football team. Practice started. Alas, Rohit came last in every race while Rahul played football terribly. The teacher was puzzled and wondered what was wrong. She decided to ask their class teacher. "I have put Rahul in the football team and Rohit for the races. They are doing badly. Is there a way I can help them?" The class teacher laughed and replied, "Of course. Just switch them. Put Rohit in football and Rahul in races." The sports teacher followed this advice. The next day, she asked Rohit to play football and Rahul to run a race. The twins did as they were told and performed brilliantly at their favorite sports. On sports day, the parents attended the event. Rahul came second in a race and won a silver medal. Rohit scored the winning goal for his team and won the cup. Their parents cheered loudly. Miss Singh smiled when she saw the brothers with their prizes. The twins went home tired but happy. So this is a lesson. Hope you understood it. And now let us go to the meanings. The first meaning is alike, similar. Next, assembly, a gathering of a group of people for a common purpose. Next, mistook, to be wrong about something. Now let us go to the grammar part of it. The first section we have, find four words starting with each of the given letters. The words must be from the story in this chapter. They have given a letter. With the help of that letter, you have to make words and write in the blanks that you can see in the textbook. So that words should be from the lesson only. You should not write on your own from the lesson. This one can be done by you with the help of your parents or your elderly people. Now next section we have fill in the blanks with right words from the given options. They've already given you the option in the brackets. You just have to pick the correct word and write in the blank. The first one is Meera dash dances or talks loudly. The correct word is talks. Next, my mother is dash me a story. Telling. Next, Ayushi is using a dash for drawing. It's pencil. The other three blanks you can do by your own by looking at the options that you have in the bracket. The next section we have the question and answers. First question, what is the name of Rohit's twin brother? Answer, Rahul is the name of Rohit's twin brother. Next question, when was the sports day supposed to be held? Answer, the sports day was supposed to be held after 2 weeks. Third question, which sport did Rohit love? Rohit loved football. Next, who was the sports teacher? Miss Singh was the sports teacher. Next, which sport did the sports teacher put Rohit in? The sports teacher put Rohit in the races. The last question, how did the twins perform at their favorite sports? The twins performed brilliantly at the favorite sports. These are the question and answers that you have in the lesson. Next section we have match the following. Match the following correctly to make proper sentences. Notice the action words in them. These are not the words but these are sentences. You just have to match the correct sentence wherever it belongs to. And the first one, the boys are laughing. Fourth one, you have to add the first one to fourth one. Next, the car is honking loudly. First one, if you have any confusion or doubts, you first write down the sentence in a piece of paper and then match the correct sentence that you have in the textbook. You can do it by your own, it's very simple. The next section we have add ed at the end of each word to change it into a word which tells you about an activity done in the past. So you just have to add ed for each word. So first one is work, worked. Next jump, jumped. Third wonder, wondered. Next want, wanted. Like this you have to write the words. The rest of the words you can do by your own. The next part of the unit that we have is a poem. The name of the poem is Happy Time. Here it goes. I love to read and I love to write. Cycling makes me happy and so does flying a kite. Football is the sport I love and I am also good at chess. I can paint all day long without making a mess. I am not a good actor but I take part in school plays. I played a tree last year for which I practiced for days. I also write poems even though I cannot rhyme. I do all of this to be happy and make the most of my time. This is a very simple poem that you can learn from the book. Next section we have is meanings. The first meaning is mess. The meaning of mess is a dirty or undirty state of things. Next, practice. Do something regularly to improve oneself. The next section we have is learn words. Under that, look at the pictures of different balls given below and write the names of the game they are used in. These are different types of balls. We have to write where the people use them when they play. The first one is basketball, next football, next is tennis, next is cricket, and the last one is rugby. The next part of the section we have is the names of some interesting sports have been jumbled up. Write down the correct names of the sports. They have the jumble words, like we have to make the correct word out of that jumble word. The first one is hockey, next one is cricket, next judo, and the last one is archery. Now next part of the question and answers. The first question we have is what are the sports that make the speaker of the poem happy? The answer is cycling, flying a kite, football and chess make the speaker of the poem happy. Next, what part did the speaker play a year ago in the school play? The speaker of the poem played a tree last year in the school play. Why does the speaker do all the things mentioned in the poem? Answer. The speaker did all these things to be happy and to make the most of our time. So this is all about the question and answers, children. If you have any doubts, you can go through the lesson and the poem. See you in the next class.